All right, so this is a daily exit slip that you will be filling out every day. So the first thing I need you to do is go ahead and up at the top here in the upper right-hand corner where you see my cursor, right here is I want you to write your name and put the hour, okay? The next thing that you will fill out is the date, okay? So whatever the date is today, you will put that right here in this box. And every day, you will continue to write the date, okay? The next part, you will write your I can statement, okay? And that will go right here in this box. So for example, if you're working on proportions, you will put, you don't have to write the I can because it's already up here, but you will write explain proportions here. So I actually will be keeping track up here, okay, up in this section here. I will be keeping track of what you are working on. So I want anyone that comes in to our room and asks you what you're working on, I want you to be able to tell them. So you should be able to look at your I can statement and you should know every day what it is you're working on. What math skill are you working on? What math standard are you working on? Okay? All right. The next section then, which is right here, and I'm going to zoom in so you can see it a little bit closer. Let's see how this works here. Okay, is this section right here, okay? So this is where you will monitor your behavior and participation in class, and this is your grade, okay? Your goal is to earn 5 points every day. You do that, you will get an A in this class, 100%. So in order to get 5 points, there are 4 things up here. You need to come to class on time. You need to complete your daily warm-up. You need to stay on task throughout the entire class period. And you need to, of course, be respectful. So if you do come to class on time, you will give yourself, come to class on time, you're going to give yourself 1 point. If you do not come to class on time and you are tardy, it will be a 0. Okay? If you complete your warm-up, and I'll have another tutorial that'll explain that, you will give yourself a point. If you don't complete the tutorial, or I'm sorry, if you don't complete your warm-up, you will get 0. Okay, pretty easy so far. The next thing is staying on task. So this one is a range you can see right here. Your goal is to get a 2. If I have to redirect you multiple times, you will go down to a 1. If it's a continuous thing, it'll be a 0, and more than likely it will result in a lunch detention. So as I said, your goal is a 2. Okay, so that will count as 2 points. And lastly here, you have respect. So as long as you are respectful throughout class period, not only to me, but to the other students, this is a way for you to earn 1, 2, 3, 4, your daily 5 points. Okay. All right. So the next section is this part right here, which I call your reflection area. Okay, which is, hold on a second. Trying to get a different color, but that's all right. We'll use blue. Is this part right here. Okay. And if you get less than 5 points, you will tell me I was tardy today or I was not focused today, okay? But if you do have 5 points, I still want this area filled in, meaning I want you to reflect on your learning. Tell me something that you remembered from class today, something that really stuck with you, or maybe there was something that was a little hard for you today. You can tell me something that you thought was difficult, okay? So far you filled out the date, you filled in your I can, you've even filled out your self-assessment of your behavior and being on task. This part here, your reflection could be done at the end of the hour. The only thing we have left now is this section right here, okay? And it says daily fact. So in another tutorial, I'm going to show you, this actually relates to your warm-up okay? And your warm-up is going to be your multiplication facts if you don't know them. So I will have you going into what's called multiplication.com, and you will get a daily fact from that. So this concludes your daily exit slip tutorial. This needs to be done every day, okay? And if you have any questions, feel free to let Mrs. Soma know. Thank you.